How to fix your entire life in just one day, do or die. Let's stop pretending. Let's stop lying to ourselves. You already know your life isn't where it should be. You feel it the moment you wake up, that dull, dragging heaviness, the guilt of wasted time, the ache of unfulfilled potential, the loop of late nights, tired mornings, shallow routines, mindless scrolling, endless distractions, and broken promises to yourself. You tell yourself, tomorrow I'll change, but tomorrow never comes because you never decide. And today, this very moment, is the last chance you get before it becomes too late. No more gentle advice, no more feel-good motivation. This is do or die, because if you don't take control now, the version of you that could have been something will be buried under the weight of comfort and delay. So let's go deep. Let's fix everything in just one day. Not someday, not later, today. Here's how you fix your entire life in one single day. By doing what you've never done before, facing the truth without flinching. Step 1, complete destruction. Wipe the slate. Unfollow 90% of the people you watch online. Turn your phone off. Clear your desk. Throw out the trash, physical and mental. Delete the apps stealing your focus. Walk into your room like a warrior and strip away anything that no longer aligns with who you're trying to become. It's not about motivation, it's about cleansing. Cut deep, create space, burn the old version, because a new you can't be born until the old you dies. Step 2, silence everything. Take 3 hours, no noise, no phone, no music, just you and your thoughts. Grab a notebook and write. What have you become? What are you avoiding? What are you afraid of? Be brutal. Dig into your shame, your pain, your excuses. Most people run from this, and that's why they stay stuck forever. But you're different, because you're not here to escape. You're here to wake up. Step 3, choose your one mission. Not 10 goals, not 50, just one. Ask yourself, if I could only achieve one thing this year that would completely shift my life, what would it be? That's your mission. That's what every action will now orbit around. You cannot fix your life by doing everything. You fix it by focusing on one thing so intensely, so consistently, that everything else begins to align around it. Step 4, create your 12-hour blueprint. Block off your next 12 hours. No distractions, no breaks for comfort, just pure action. You wake up, you clean your environment, you shower with purpose, you eat like an athlete, and then you begin. For the next 12 hours, you go to war with every single thing that's been holding you back. Study, building, train, write, solve, apply, fix, clean, prepare. No breaks, no guilt, no side conversations. You become a machine with a mission. Step 5. Document it. This isn't just a reset. This is history. Film a video of yourself today. Write a long journal entry. Capture the pain, the decision, the anger, the fire. Because 6 months from now, when you want to quit, you'll look back and remember who you became today. The day you stopped waiting. The day you said, enough. Step 6, fix your body. No more neglect. You don't need a gym. You need movement. You need discipline. You do push-ups, walk 10,000 steps, cold shower, hydrate like your brain depends on it, because it does. When your body is weak, your mind cannot think clearly. And when your mind is foggy, you spiral. So fix the physical, reclaim the sharpness, the power, the presence. You don't need a six-pack, you need strength. Step 7, fix your space. Clean your room like your life depends on it, because it does. Every object you see when you wake up should remind you of who you're becoming. No clutter, no distractions. You build a war zone, a fortress of discipline. When you look at your desk, your notes, your walls, they speak to your future. That's not aesthetic. That's alignment. Step 8, fix your inputs. What are you feeding your brain every single day? Trash content, shallow drama, pointless scrolling, or books, ideas, podcasts, truth? Unfollow every distraction. Follow the people who make you uncomfortable in a good way, those who force you to level up. You want to change your life? Change what you consume, because what you consume, you become. Step 9. Forgive, but don't forget. You've wasted time. You've hurt yourself. You've lied to your own goals. Forgive that version of you, but don't forget it. Let that pain fuel you. Let every wasted hour become fuel for your next level. You're not a failure. You were just untrained. Now, you're awake. Step 10. Declare the death of the old you. Write it down. Burn it. Rip it. Say it out loud. I am no longer that version of me. I don't break promises to myself. I don't escape from fear. I don't scroll away my future. I act. I move. I build. This is identity shift. This is resurrection. And now, here comes the hardest step. Repeat. Because this one day is not the end. It's the beginning. You don't need 100 of these days. You need to live this day again and again until your new life becomes permanent. Not perfect, but aligned, powerful, controlled. Every time you slip, come back to this blueprint. Rebuild, refocus, reload. You've done it once. You can do it again. So now, take a deep breath, look in the mirror, and ask yourself, if I don't change now, when will I? Because this life isn't waiting for you. The world moves on with or without you. Your dreams won't chase you. Your goals won't remind you. Your potential won't last forever. This is not just a motivational moment. This is life or death. For your focus, your future, your greatness. And you know what's the best part?